name is Meenakshi Narayana and I cleared my JRF exam in July 2019. My subject was economics and I've scored 99.98 percentile. So for this particular exam, what you need is, firstly, you need good references. Secondly, you need consistent revision. But the key element here is practice more and more question. So that is where the Eduncle came into picture for me. These guys have provided such a great test series to me for both paper 1 and paper 2. Their test series are sectioned well. They have mock tests. They have ample amount of mock tests on both paper 1 and paper 2, and they have mock tests on all the sections under it. Plus they have full length tests as well. The best thing about Eduncle team is that they're reliable. They will revert back to your query in less than 24 hours. And secondly, they are very affordable. So the central force of my preparation and my success has been Eduncle test series, and I would strongly recommend Eduncle if you're targeting NET JRF.